Hey there! Ever wondered what keeps those massive steam engines running safely in India? Ever wondered what keeps those factory machines running safely in India? Let's talk about the Indian Boiler Regulation, or IBR, and why it matters so much. Back in the day, steam boilers powered trains, steam boilers powered textile mills. The Indian Boilers Act was created to lay down the law for safe operation. The IBR, born from this act and later updated in 2007, sets the gold standard. It defines how boilers should be designed, it defines how boilers should be built, it defines how boilers should be maintained. So, what exactly is a boiler under IBR? It's a pressure vessel where steam is generated for use outside itself, using heat. But not every vessel falls under these rules. If a vessel holds less than 25 liters, operates below 1 kilogram per centimeter square pressure, or heats water below 100 degrees centigrade, it's not considered a boiler by IBR standards. Why does this matter? Because boilers operate under extreme pressure and heat. One mistake, and things can get dangerous, fast. That's why the IBR has strict inspections, it requires certifications, it mandates safety checks. Only certified boilers and components can be installed and operated. So next time you see steam powering a factory or steam powering a train, remember, there's a whole set of rules working behind the scenes to keep everyone safe. And that's the power of regulation in action. Thanks for watching, stay curious and stay safe.